Kiambote, ngizambote, evomukutala uno tutondele, sitolongoka ndinga kaka zetu, ndinga kintinu kya Kongo ya totela. Epangezo kwa kwena. Thank you very much for being there. We are going to learn Kikongo, the language of Congo Kingdom. Thank you very much. Oh, okay. Our sister here. Kiambote, Nengwa Luis.
Kiambote,
Una mavimpie.
tuna mavimpi, ingeta, tuna mavimpi, tutundele.
Tutondele. Oh, thank you very much. Okay, our brother is there. Brother there. Let's wait for brother there. He's coming. Okay. Meanwhile, okay, he's there. Okay. Early morning, where you are. Ah, okay. Okay.
Kiambote
Kiambote,
Mpangiyame.
Tata Davidi. Your name in Kikongo. Tata Davidi. Luna mavimpi, eh?
Ah,
Ingeta.
Mavimpi. Yeah, tuna Mavimpi. Tutondole.
Tutondele. Thank you very much. Okay. We're going back to, let me just share my screen. We did last time, but I did update it. That's why we need to go back. Uh, where is it? Hang on, give me 1 minute. Where is my phone? That is there. Yes, I need to share. Very important, as I say in background. Yes. Uh, I'm going to read the names. If you could just read the first line, I mean the top English, please. Tata David. Brother David, please.
The 12 original clans that created Congo Kingdom.
Thank you very much. Here they are. Vuzidia Ku, Panzu Ataku, Mtumba Mvemba, na Kongo na Lumbu, Taku na Vunda, Nzamba Pakasa, Pondi ya Wala, Nkonzo Mvemba, na Vela, Nanga Kongo, Kanga Mvika, Kilaza. These are the names. Over to you, please, Brother David.
Congo people are matrilineal. It means that woman rules in matters related to life and the family. It is called Kanda, matrilineal clan in Kikongo. Each Kanda has their own passcode, unique to their Kanda. And Kanda, mother's blood lineage name, leads to one of the 12 original clans that created Congo Kingdom.
Thank you very much. Thank you. I think this is clear. Yeah. Okay, this is just a quote. This is from this website, please. Brother David, you can read.
Oh, okay. Mitochondrial DNA, Kanda, is inherited directly from your matrilineal line only, meaning your mother's mother's mother on up your family tree until you've run out of direct line mothers that you've identified.
Thank you. Just need to clarify. This kind, it's me, not from the original text. This is me. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Nengwa Luis, please.
Kanda, matrilineal clan in Kikongo.
Mm.
Congo people knew about genetics in their own way before modern sciences. When a Congolese person, Congo Mukongo, Congo Kingdom native asks, Ki'i Luvila Luaku, what
Wow,
is your what is your genealogy? They really mean, are you one of us?
wow, thank you. We knew genetics, see? We knew it before the microscope. Would you believe it? Of course. Nengwa Luis, please.
Kilingu is the main name of my clan, but you have 13 words after, which are unique identifier of my maternal clan. Remember, Congo people are matrilineal. It goes back to infinite generation of my mom's mom, grandmother's mom, great-grandmothers until
Mom,
forever.
mm.
The chance for another clan to have the same exact 13 names after the main name as mine and in same order is 1 in billion. Isn't it science?
Say, you tell me.
Yes.
Okay, this is my clan. When I say my clan, because we're matrilineal, as soon as I say my clan, I mean my mom lineage. That comes after mom first. Okay, this is my past DNA passcode. My 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 mom's clan. Kinlungu mfumbululwiva kiuma kitutulanga utoto matekelo pfumo vo katanu kuna ngoma pound. Sorry, it's hard to understand. But see, this pound is one of the 12. See,
Hmm.
one of the 12. I mean, nowadays people will just tell you I'm from one of the 12. They don't have this sentence because it's like saying I'm from USA. Oh, that's fine. You are one of the 12. But if I said I'm from small village in county in a district and the state of New York, sorry, state of
Hmm.
Texas. Then so you know me now. See, so
Mm-hmm.
it's but nowadays I was lucky because I did interview my grandmother. She was 90 years old, so I got in line in Kikongo, but very hard Kikongo to understand, very hard. Thank you very much. Let's go move to the next slide. Tata Davidi.
We don't have surnames. There is no Kikongo word for cousin. We don't have extended family.
Yes, this is us. This is us. Hey, Tata David.
Your name has a value of a nickname. Your true identity is your Luvila. Brother equals Mpangi Yakala.
Mm-hmm.
Sister is Mpangi Ankento.
Mm-hmm.
Msanga, noun, a brother or sister of the opposite sex only, i.e., a brother uses it of a sister and vice versa.
Thank you, brother David. See, sister Luis. See this Tanga. I don't know if there's a other culture with this concept, you know? See?
Mm-hmm.
When when I say Tanga, you know what I mean. If I'm a
Yes.
brother, I'm a man, I mean my sister.
Mm-hmm.
Blood, your blood. You not talk about any friend we call brother. No. When sister said Tanga, she means her brother. This is Congo. Did you go through this? Okay, let me just try to go quickly. Basically, this is my DNA. Fumu, I'm Fumu. Oh, I need to share. Sorry, quickly. I need to share my my PDF file because here it doesn't appear correctly. So let me just quickly share my. Bear with me. Basically, I belong to. Quickly. Yes, I got it. Okay. Can you see down here? Fumu means Fumu. I'm Lord. I'm Lord. This is Kanda from my mom's Kanda. I'm Tekelo. You are Tekelo, meaning grandson, granddaughter from two blood lineage. You are Tekelo from I'm Tekelo from my mom's dad mom clan. Then I'm Tekelo again from my dad's dad mom clan. Take note of mom, always lady. Huh? This is Congo Kingdom. Then I'm son from, I'm one from my dad's mom clan. I'm one from my dad's, I mean, mom is one from her dad's mom maternal clan. Dad is one from his dad's maternal clan. I'm Fumu meaning Lord or Dame, see nobility. So
Mm-hmm.
I'm Fumu from my mom's maternal clan. Mom is Fumu from, I mean, Dame in this case. Mom is Dame from her mom's maternal clan. Dad is Fumu, Lord, from his mom's maternal clan. So my maternal clan name is there, Kinlungu Ngoma Panzu. The long name, just took the two last one. Kinlungu Ngoma Panzu. So I'm Mwana, which is my dad's maternal clan, Kimalemba Nzinga. Then here I'm just hiding something, I don't want to reveal it, otherwise I will be sold. These are the clan for my mom's clan. The first one, Kings. Then my dad's mom clan, King. Then we have here, we belong to a woman, belong to mom, Ndona Kento Asina, top lady. So we have, I'm Fumu from, I mean, Ndona, yes, woman rules in Congo Kingdom. I'm Fumu from Luvila of my mom always. I'm one from Luvila of my dad's mom, a woman. I'm taken from Luvila of my mom's mom, a woman. I'm taken from Luvila of my dad mom. See, brother David, this
Yeah,
this is before,
it's
this is
it's a
before
little
the rest.
complicated. Yeah,
Sorry,
it's a little complicated,
no,
but
no.
yeah,
If you got the graph with you, you don't need to memorize it. That's fine. Yeah, but this is our concept, before before the Renaissance. See, Roman, you know your history. Roman, tell me about the woman in Roman Empire. Yeah, I don't want to say it live. Woman, go online and check Google woman. But before that, before the Renaissance, 14th century, Congo people, woman had special place. Everywhere you go, woman rules. Nengwa Louise, please.
Mom's sisters are also my moms. Mom's brothers are called Wankazi.
Hmm.
Long live the mother. My,
Yes,
my mom's sisters, sons, and daughters are my brothers and sisters.
this is very, if you can memorize it, Ngwakazi.
one
Wankazi.
one kazi.
Wankazi.
Ngwakazi, special power. Basically, we have two or three words here. Ngwa is short for Ngudi, mom. Mm. Ngwa,
Mhm.
contraction, short. Kazi, two words. Ka, I mean, I did ask my advisor, they're a bit divided, but Kazi means many, a lot, kind of power. Zinga, Zinga means live, long live. When we say, when you crown the king, we say, long live the king. Zinga, Zinga means long, have long life, long live the mother. Yes, please.
Uh, Me?
Yes, please, sister.
Kanda equal Congo people matrilineal lineages. Fumu, Kanda, Gwankazi.
Right there.
Maternal uncle only, the lord of the clan.
Yeah, that's what I say. For anyone that is following, this is your science, your anthropologist. I mean, you should not ignore this word. When we say Mwakazi, we mean the lord of the clan. The lady rules, but beyond the lady, her brother is there, the lord of the clan. Can I did ask for permission when I went to, I mean, my wedding, uh, traditional wedding. We have our own way. I mean, a man, you bring some gifts for your lady's family. Basically, we give a lot. I mean, you give different kind of items. The main one is 12. You have to give a gift of 12 pack of 24 cans. In this case, cans of soft drink. You have to give 12. But because the Fumukanda, in that occasion, the Fumukanda my in-law, my mom's in-law, Wakazi, the lord of the clan, did decide that he said, I don't want 12, I want 13. This is rare, but because he is the Fumukanda, the lord of the clan, we have to obey. We did break the rule because he decided we want a 13. Are you with me?
Mhm.
Mhm.
This is ours, you know. Before they went to America, this is how we live. Sorry. Tata David, please.
Mom's brothers, sons, and daughters are also called my children because their dads are from same kanda as my mom.
Yes. I did send you the file, this file, yeah? You can read it. We're just going again because we need people to understand this.
Mhm.
Tata David, please.
Dad's brothers are also my dads. Dad's sisters are my tatan kento,
Yeah.
female dads. Sure. Dad's brothers, sons, and daughters are my brothers and sisters.
Okay, that's good. See, on my dad's side, this lady has special power. Mm. More powerful than even my dad or my brothers. Sorry, my dad's brother. Have more power. On the other side, Ngwakazi, on my mom's side, she has the power. This is because of the her sister, my mom. Yeah, let us just move quickly. Sister Louise, please.
Dad's sisters, sons, and daughters are also my parents because they are from same kanda as my dad. They are called Tata and Kento, girls, and Tata, boys. Note the title Tata is nobility.
Yes, I'm sorry if you're watching us. Here we're talking about Congo Kingdom. It's hard for many people to grasp, but it's us. Before they took us they took our ancestors to America. This is how our kingdom lives. This is us. This is our philosophy. This is how we think. See the lady, Tatan Kento, has power, even her own children. See, because in this case, my dad's sister children they have the same power as their mom. See, I call girl Tata and Kento come as their mom and Tata for boys. Yeah, we're getting there almost at the end. Tata David, please.
Tatan Kento, female dad, she has special prerogatives in affairs related to her brother's children.
Yes. See, we call Kanda, sorry, which is matrilineal lineage. Kise, it is patrilineal lineage. See, are you with me? See?
Hmm.
Mhm.
Hmm. Katan Kento here, she's a female dad anyway. This is a big title, eh? Oh, Kise, yeah. A Kanda, Fumukanda, the lord of the clan, has power. Wow, okay. Nengwa Louise, please.
I am Fumu, Lord of
Mm.
Kinlungu clan, Mom's Kanda. Mwana, son of
Kimalemba
Kimalemba
Agentinga.
Biadzinga
Mm.
clan, Dad's Kanda.
Mm. Ntekelo.
Tekelo,
Mm.
Ntekelo,
Mm.
grandson of King's clan,
Mm.
maternal granddad's Kanda.
Mm. Mm-hmm.
Ntekelo, grandson of King clan, paternal granddad's Kanda.
Thank you very much, sister. I don't want to reveal this because it's too much. If you know all the four, so I'm done. I mean, you know me. It's like that. So thank you very much. You stop there. I think I did explain to you in 1960 when refugee from Angola escaped because of the war. They went to RDC. When they arrived at the other side of the border, the UN, how do you call them, High Commission for Refugee, you know what they did? They didn't build tents. I mean, they did maybe later, but what they did, as soon as family comes, they ask people, dad or mom, what is your clan's name? Then you give them the name, the register. Then they go to villages to find if there's a clan matching your. See, they didn't use microscope to find your, sorry, your DNA and whatever. Now, okay, if it just match, that's it. You didn't know them, you never seen them, but it is your blood. Okay, have them, take them. Thank you very much. Sorry, sorry, sorry. It's hard, but we
Yeah.
need to do that. We need to teach it before it's too late. Don't want to lose it. Okay, today we're learning, you're going to lesson 2, section 4. Let me just share my slide. Mm, sorry, bear with me. I need to move this one. Yes, this must be. Mm, okay. Okay, okay. Need to just go to my second plan, my PDF file, because this one is failing to pop up. My PDF file. Oh, sorry. Sorry. I need to find my file. 1 minute. Oh, 25th. Yes. Yes. That should be okay. Mm, sorry, technology. Sometimes these things happen. Yes, it is a PDF file, but we want to move slowly. Yes. Uh, I'm sure by now, Brother David will remember Utokozi Makembi.
Yes. Congo language course, Malongi Makikongo Kizombo, by Professor Hazel Carter and the Reverend Joao Makondekwa.
Well done.
Uh,
Well,
Joan Hazel Carter, 2202 1928 to 308 2016, received her doctorate with her dissertation, Syntactic Tone Phrases in Congo, Kikongo language. African Studies Program, Department of African Languages and Literature, University of Wisconsin-Madison, USA, May 1987.
thank you very much, Brother David. Utokozi Makembi means, do you know what does it mean, brother, Sister Louise? don't. I'm going to write it down. Don't. So don't.
Okay.
There for you to read, please.
Ingratitude is bad.
Yes, that's Congo philosophy. Remember we were talking in the background before we came live about a man said
Yes.
reverence.
Mm-hmm.
Utokozi, if you don't say thank you, I mean, to us it's like a crime. Not money can, but because our soul, the way we think, the way we
Mm-hmm.
feel. Mm. We always say thank you. See on the screen the scroll. Can you see something scrolling? These
Mm-hmm.
are people that help me during the week. I have to talk to them.
Mm.
Because remember, we relied for long for oral transmission. How do you call it? Transmission, is it? Yeah.
Yes.
We didn't write. They didn't write. Now, last century, people start writing bit by bit. So even so, there are things that we have to consult many people and then have an agreement, agree on something, then come here to teach it. To say that this is how it is, because many people have different opinions. Thank you very much. Okay, Congo. This lesson 2, section 4. First and second person plural. Pattern is there. Okay. Tata David, please.
Oyeno Misinga
Kosoke.
Kisokoe,
Kosoke.
are you going to sit down? Elo, oyeyo tusinga kosoka.
Tinga Kosoka. Thank you very much. Remember, I think Sister Louise, you missed this lesson, but Brother David, I'm sure will remember. Eno, eto, andi, sorry. Ame, aku, andi, eto, eno,
And
au.
au.
Yes. Let me just write it down for you, sister, quickly.
Mhm.
This is very important. Apart from the numbers, uh, ame, aku, andi, eto, eno, au. Ame, aku, andi, eto, eno, au. Can you see it on the message?
Yes.
Yes. But basically, whenever, I mean, eno, those are, we don't call it pronoun. We just call it
Adjectives.
process. Yes, because the way to use, like in French or Western language, but the change, the usage, I mean, it depends on the context. But in this case, let's say in this case, oh yeah, no, now remember no. Always, as soon as you see no at the end,
It means
you know that
yours.
yes. But in this case, a pronoun, personal pronoun, but sometimes not personal pronoun, because when I say Nzimbuzeto, Nzimbuzeto, I mean our money. So it's not a personal pronoun, but eno is there. Just
Mhm.
remember eno, all the six free first free. I mean singular one first person to third, and the plural first person to third. Okay, wait. We're reading. Yes. Oh yeah, no. So eno. You know that you many referring to them, not them. Sorry, you
Mhm.
many, and then here nu. Sometimes the lu it is second person plural. Nu tu us. Okay, can you read again, please, brother David, please?
Mhm. Oyenu musinga koso. I'm sorry.
No,
Kosok.
no, it's
Uh,
okay.
kosoke.
Mm,
Are you going to sit down? And then elo. Oyeyo tusinga kosoka.
well done. Oh yeah, to single. See, eto is there. Eto at the end, yeah. Eto. Mm.
Mhm.
Mhm.
Nengwa Louise, please.
Oyeno nusinga leke.
Well done.
Are you going to sleep? Elo. Oyeto tusinga leka.
Very
Yes,
good.
we are going.
Sorry, very good. Always remember the long vowel. Long vowel, not the. How do you call it? Yes, long vowel. Yes.
Mhm.
Mhm.
Oh yeah, le, oh yeah, le. Good. Next one, Tata David.
Okay. Oyeno nusinga vutuke. Are
hmm
you going to return? Elo. Oyeto tusinga vutuka.
Thank you very much.
Yes, we are going to return.
Thank you. Remember, the grammar here is no, you. In this case, the pronoun.
Yeah, you plural.
Yes.
Hmm.
Lingua Louise, please.
Oyeno nusinga die.
Well done.
Elo. Oyeto tusinga dia.
Yes. Tata David.
Oyeno nusinga vingie.
Mm-hmm.
Are you going to wait? Elo. Oyeto tusinga
Vingi.
vingila.
Vingi.
Or is it the
Sorry?
accent on the last syllable? Vingila or just vingila? Vingila.
Elo oyeto to singa vingila.
Okay, Vingila.
Vingila.
All right.
You got your long vowel here. Vingila, yes.
Mm-hmm.
Nengwa Louise, please.
Oyeno nusingasale,
Mm.
elo, oyeto tusingasala.
This one very important, long vowel, because we have some words. Remember, this is just phonetic spelling. We don't write double letter.
Mhm.
Mm. Wherever see double letter here, don't worry, just phonetic spelling to help us. Because we have two sala work, sala staying. Mm.
Mhm.
So sala staying in this case, it is long vowel. Sala. Mm. Let's say we have uh, hand, coco. Mm. But I can say the same coco, same word, which is not long vowel, meaning that there. Coco kena is there. Coco kena. When I say coco, I mean hand. Sorry, confusing. Can you read again, please?
Uh-huh. Oyeno nusingasale,
Mm.
elo, oyeto tusingasala.
Thank you very much. Tata David in Kikongo, sorry.
Okay.
your name, David.
That's fine. Oyeno musinga telame,
Mm.
elo. Oyeto tusinga telama.
Mm. Oye, no, no singatela me. Hello. Oye, to singatela ma. Wow, well done. Lengua Luis.
Oyeno nusingatale,
Mm.
elo, oyeto tusingatala.
Ah, well done. Well done. Ah, okay, we done this then. Any questions?
No.
Sister Louise, any question? Well done. Wow. That's
Uh,
good. Go ahead. Any questions?
no. Mm-mm.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you very much for coming. Uh, I'm staying. You are going. Nengo Luis. This is a test.
Uh, Sala kiambote.
Oh, well done, Sara Gambote. So the other round. I'm
Um,
going. You staying.
Um,
Wenda
Well done.
kiambote.
When
Wenda,
the
that's right. That's right.
well, when the Cambo, you can say when the Cambote, on the Cambote, doesn't matter. Nda or when the same thing. Thank you very much.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Have a
Tutondele.
good day.
Tondele, tondele.
Tondele. Tondele.